Hi, and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
And my name is Chris. And Nick, what have we got in store today?
Today we are taking a look at some of these recent listings on Coinbase and how one of them has soared 697%.
Say that again.
697%. Absolutely massive gains. And this is something
Unreal.
that's really common with Coinbase listings. Obviously, they retrace it very quickly afterwards, but if you're very hot on it, you could be in for some serious gains. So we're going to have a look at that in a bit of detail. We're also going to have a look at the market, see what's going on there, and obviously take a look at the chart of this one particular coin in question, Chris. So as always, what do we want everyone to do if they're really bullish? Go ahead and smash that like button. That's right, hit those 2 thumbs up there. Perfect. And as always, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe and you'll be kept up to date with all of the videos that we do here on Cheeky Crypto. Chris, shall we go ahead and jump right on into the markets and see what's been going on in the last 24 hours or so?
Definitely. I really want to find out about this project, Nick. 600 odd percent. It's unreal.
Right, let's do it. Okay, so here we are at the coin market cap, recently switched based on some feedback that you guys left us. So happy to use this one, it makes no difference to me. But basically the market cap is up at 455 billion. This was just touching 460 billion earlier today. The trading volume there is 108 billion and Bitcoin's dominance is 64.3%. So if we look down the list of coins that we are focusing in on specifically, majority of them are in the green, and every single one of them is in the green for the 7 days. So we obviously have Bitcoin up here, 3.5, Ethereum 5%, XRP 0.7, Chainlink 1.9, Cardano 1.4, Stellar 2.1, VeChain 1.6, Algorand 1.9, Ren slightly down here at 2.3, Zilliqa up at 1.3, Hedera 1.6, RSR 2.6. Then you go into the negatives of Singularity, for example, down 10, Fetch AI down 0.6, Solve down 0.7, Harmony down 0.9, Polymath 20% down, and V4 1.3 down. But if you look at the 7 days, you can obviously see Polymath is up at 43. So you're just seeing some retracement happen on those negative tokens and massive growth across the part here on these larger tokens, such as Chainlink here with 24% growth for the week, VeChain at 23% growth, Algorand at 17% growth, Ren slightly down today, but was 28% growth, and a massive RSR here at 66.9% growth for the week. So pretty bullish stuff. So Chris, should we have a look at the article and then potentially have a look at the chart and see what they're talking about?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so here on the daily hodl, we have this crypto asset just soared 697% after unexpected boost from Coinbase. And this is the kind of thing that gets us really excited about new coins being listed on Coinbase, because the capability that basically means to low value tokens is absolutely massive. And we obviously, Chris, you're on Coinbase Watch.
I am.
Watching out for some key projects that we're invested in, such as VeChain, etc., that is potentially due to be listed soon. And obviously, for anyone who's invested, the second that hits, it's going to be very good news for you. So let's have a quick read of this and see what's going on here. So the crypto asset that was made back in 2017 is making a comeback after a recent surprise boost from the crypto exchange Coinbase. In a blog post, Coinbase says it is listing District OX, a platform that is designed to allow developers to create decentralized marketplaces and communities dubbed as districts. Its native asset is DNT, is an ERC20 asset, which serves as a governance token as it facilitates the participation of investors in building the District's OX network. After the announcement that Coinbase is adding support for DNX, the cryptocurrency skyrocketed over 697% from a low of 0.0094 on the 5th of November to a 30-day high of 0.075 so 7.5 cents on the 10th of November, according to CoinGecko. And this is the chart that we're talking about here, and it's basically like a rocket just being launched up into space. So here we are, just trading sideways for a very, very long time. Obviously not quite anywhere near the all-time high, which is 48 cents or so, around there. But in this time period from the 2018 bull run, going sideways and absolutely doing very, very little, it has just shot up after this listing, and it's a very interesting sight. So if I put on a retracement, let's just see what that actually looks like in terms of where it's falling so far. I'll just pop this down here, and we'll grab that and move it this way a little bit. So far, it's actually trading between the 50 and 68% retracement. But you can see just how quickly this happens. It's a case of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days in, hits the high, and now it's coming back down. So the smarter investor here would have potentially been selling on the way up, not on the way down. So having some good exit strategy plans for any coins that you potentially invested in that are on the radar of Coinbase, then this is the kind of thing that we're expecting with some of these lower value tokens, to just get that instant boost. Where this thing will end, I am not sure. I'm not familiar with the project, etc. But it's interesting to see. Now let's see what else is going on in this article. So here's the District X kind of chart, and it's showing you what's going on there. The other two crypto assets that surged in value after receiving a boost from Coinbase is Civic. The CVC is also an Ethereum-based token leveraging the distributed ledger technology to help users keep their digital identities private. After Coinbase listed CVC, the cryptocurrency went from a low of 0.0252, so 2.5 cents on the 5th of November, to a 30-day high of 15 cents on the 10th of December. And that's representing a 495% growth, Chris. Absolutely massive. So that's 2 out of the 3. And then the third one here, Decentraland, the MANA, or the MANA token, is also witnessing a big rebound after getting listed on Coinbase. This project features as an ERC20 token as well, that powers decentralized virtual reality world. Gamers can use the MANA to buy and sell items in the Decentraland world, such as virtual lands, items, and other assets. And after Coinbase listing, the MANA climbed from a low of 6 cents on the 5th of November to 10 cents on the 10th of December, a gain of 66%. Not sure they doing their math, it sounds like it should be more than that, but okay. So really interesting stuff here in terms of what happens when you start listing these tokens on Coinbase. And Chris, what is it that we're waiting to be listed on Coinbase? It's a real kind of like focus for us.
So VeChain obviously is the big one, but we also put a wild card in for our top 5 tokens to keep an eye on for 2021. And that one's Reserve, RSR. So both of which could potentially get listed on Coinbase anytime, really.
Yeah, and so guys, we wanted to kind of do this video to kind of point out the power of Coinbase when it comes to these coin listings. Projects that were seemed to have died back in 2018, doing next to nothing in terms of price movement, just trading sideways. The second that they go onto a Coinbase, you see the kind of money that goes in to these initial offerings, not really offerings, but just get a little bit of attention to a bigger audience like that. Has a huge impact on those values. So yeah, we really wanted to bring that to your attention, because there are some projects that are coming into, or have the potential to be landing into Coinbase. I know Coinbase have come out and said these are ones that we are looking at. VeChain is on there, RSR is on there, and things that obviously me and Chris are invested in are obviously of high importance to us. And so Chris is solely on Coinbase Watch, just waiting to see if any communications come out as to when it's likely to be. And I think we're going to see some absolutely fantastic gains, specifically around things like VeChain and RSR, the underdog there, where we wouldn't be too scared, Chris, I think, to take the profits on them when that happens.
No, definitely not. Yeah.
Absolutely. So as always, if you found this useful information and really informative, go ahead and do Chris a favor and smash up that like button. He really appreciates it. And as always, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll be kept up to date with all the videos and live streams that we do here on the Cheeky Crypto channel. And with that said, we hope you have a fantastic day and we'll catch you in the next one.
Take care, everyone.